How to clear host cache in Google Chrome. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear host cache in Google Chrome. In order to clear the host cache in Google Chrome, you will need to first open your Google Chrome browser on your device. Now here in the search bar, you will need to type in the URL. Simply click on the search bar and there type in Chrome /net internals #DNS. Make sure to enter the correct keyword or the URL here. You may also pause this video in order to copy the URL. And once you have entered this keyword, now press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Now within a while you will be taken to this home page. Once you reach to this page, here you will be able to locate clear host cache option or the button. Now you just simply need to click on this clear host cache button and then this will clear Chrome's DNS cache. So this is how you can clear the host cache in Google Chrome. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.